Hello, good people. My name is Tine Tiffany. So first and foremost, I would like to express my deepest condolences to the families who lost their beloved ones when the ferry they were in capsized. So today I'm here in Kariba at Samanyanga Resort, one of the best and affordable resort in Kariba. Not only in Kariba but in Zimbabwe. I'm also excited because I came with my siblings. So I'll be introducing you to them as we go. So this is Tanyaradzwa.
Hi.
So this is the setup. This is the kitchen. There are also electric gadgets like the stove, the microwave, the toaster, and the electric jug, as you can see. And there's also a fridge here. And this is the sitting room. These are my other siblings, Ashley
Hi
and
guys.
Tine, Ariana. In here, you can, excuse me, in here there's also this one can be converted to a bed, as you can see. So for those who have got big families, do not worry, this is the best resort for you. As you can see, it can be also converted to a bed. It is also a couch as well as a bed. There's also an air conditioner. As you can see, in all of the rooms there is an air conditioner. You can also view the Kariba Dam here through the transparent door, and you can also sit outside while viewing the Kariba Dam, as you can see right here. There's also a fan and a TV here. So let's see the first bedroom. This is the bedroom. It is an in-suite. As you can see, there is a bed, and there are also shelves where you can put your stuff here, as you can see. And there's also uh, the bathroom and the toilet in here, the sink and the mirror as well, as you can see. Let's go to the next room. So guys, as I have already said, this is the best and affordable resort here in Kariba. So you can come if you want to come here. It is the best for you. As you can see, there's also the bed, and you can also put your stuff here on the shelves. There's also an air conditioner, as you can see here. And there's also the bathroom and the toilet, the sink and the mirror, as you can see. I think I've showed you everything here. There's also the fan here. So you can see, you can also view the Kariba Dam here. So you can see. So guys, don't miss out. You should come here in Kariba, and don't forget to come to Samanyanga Resort. As long as we are here in Kariba, we'll be doing some vlogs. So guys, don't miss out. For now, we say much love and God bless you.